Hey, I was hoping you'd stop in. Your usual? You got it. You look well rested. Better than last time. What? Seriously? Wow. So, is this a good change or more gotta hope it works change? A bit of both? Yeah, switching jobs tends to do that to people. Still, kudos to you. A lot of people would just, stay where they were, no matter how it made them feel. When do you start the new job? Oh, cool. So you're just off for a week then? That's fun. Kind of like a spontaneous vacation. Or staycation, I guess. What? You have no plans? You can't be serious. Well, if it were me, I'd be headed to the beach. Sun's out, the water will feel nice. Plus, it's weekday, so there shouldn't be too many people. Perfect beach day. No. Is this a crime? You can't just waste a perfect day like this. You have to go somewhere. Anywhere. Like, get out of this cafe and go have some sun. Well, I'm flattered that you enjoy coming here, but my cafe unfortunately can't give you your daily dose of vitamin D. Yes, I've been told I can be quite annoying when I get like this. You're not the first, my friend. Well, what if I went with you? Well, I'm the owner, remember? I can walk out of here whenever. I mean, Erica is really the one running the shop. You good with it, Erica? See? She's practically begging you to take me. You don't want to disappoint Erica, right? Cool. Beach day it is. Let me just grab a few things and we'll go. See? Can you picture anything more perfect than this? I knew you'd agree. I really should come to the beach more often. I forget how much I love it here. Well, I guess I've always liked the water. I grew up near the shore, and I used to go surfing with my dad on weekends. But when I got busier with school and, well, then work, I just kind of stopped coming. Which is honestly a shame because the ocean really grounds me. Like, I remember that all my problems and all my worries is nothing compared to it. I mean, look at the water. It sparkles and goes on and on for as far as we can see. It's amazing. Well, I guess I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Oh, God, that was lame. You seem to just bring that out in me. Yes, the lameness. I'll have you know, I'm normally a very calm and cool person. Like, mysterious aura cool. Like, people walk into the cafe and go like, wow, who is this mysterious, cool, and calm person? Fine, fine, mock me. So, what about you? Last time I saw you were worse for wear. Are things better? That's not really an answer. Look, maybe it's not really my place, but you've been coming in almost daily now. My staff and I look forward to seeing you, but when you look stressed or sick, we worry, you know? Yes, I worry. I shouldn't, but I do. You remind me of a baby chick. I feel like if you're left in your own devices, you'll end up getting swept away by a fox or something. Right? Weird analogy. It made more sense in my head. What I'm trying to say is just take care of yourself, and if you can't do that, let others help you. Sorry, I'm just babbling at this point. God, I always just kind of babble around you. It's cute. You mean that? Or are you just messing with me? Fine, fine. Keep your secret. So, what do we say we head back in a few minutes? No need to thank me. I'm glad we got to spend some time together.